In today's fast-paced world, balancing work, family, and personal commitments can make it challenging to prioritize health. However, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for long-term well-being, energy, and productivity. The good news? Even with a busy schedule, small, consistent changes can make a big difference. From quick workouts and mindful eating to stress management and better sleep habits, this guide will show you practical tips to stay healthy, active, and energized, no matter how packed your day is. Let's dive in. Life in the 21st century is a whirlwind of activity. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our days are packed with tasks and responsibilities. We juggle work, family, social commitments, and personal aspirations, often feeling like there's not enough time in the day. The pressure to excel in every area can be overwhelming. Amidst this constant hustle, our health, our most valuable asset, can easily take a back seat. We find ourselves neglecting the very foundation that supports all our endeavors. We grab fast food on the go, sacrifice sleep to meet deadlines, and let stress consume our thoughts. These habits, though convenient, can take a toll on our well-being over time. But what if we told you that maintaining a healthy lifestyle doesn't require a complete life overhaul? Small, intentional changes can pave the way to a healthier you. What if small, manageable changes could make a world of difference? Simple actions like choosing stairs over the elevator or drinking more water can have a significant impact. This essay explores practical tips and strategies to integrate healthy habits into your busy schedule. It's about finding balance and making choices that support your overall well-being. It's about making sustainable changes that nourish your body and mind, even amidst the chaos. Incorporating activities like yoga or meditation can help center your thoughts and reduce stress. Remember, taking care of your health is not selfish. It's an investment that ensures you have the energy and focus to tackle your daily challenges. An investment that pays dividends in the form of increased energy, improved focus, and a greater sense of well-being. These benefits extend to all areas of your life, making you more effective and fulfilled, empowering you to show up fully in all aspects of your life. By prioritizing your health, you set the stage for a more balanced, productive, and joyful existence. The key to integrating healthy habits into a busy life lies in understanding the power of small changes. These small changes can be as simple as choosing to take the stairs instead of the elevator or swapping out a sugary snack for a piece of fruit. Overhauling your entire routine overnight is daunting and often unsustainable. It can lead to burnout and frustration, making it harder to stick to your goals in the long run. Instead, focus on making small incremental adjustments that gradually become part of your lifestyle. These small steps can lead to significant improvements over time, creating a ripple effect that enhances your overall well-being. Start with one or two areas you want to improve, whether it's drinking more water, incorporating a 10-minute workout into your day, or going to bed 30 minutes earlier. These small commitments can make a big difference in how you feel and function daily. Once these small changes become second nature, you can add more. Gradually, these habits will build upon each other, creating a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Remember, progress is not about perfection. It's about making conscious choices that move you closer to your health goals, one step at a time. Each small change is a victory, and each step forward is progress. Embrace the journey and celebrate each small victory along the way. Acknowledge your efforts and be proud of the progress you make, no matter how small it may seem. Healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Start by making small adjustments to your existing diet. Instead of skipping breakfast, opt for a quick and nutritious meal like overnight oats or a smoothie. Pack healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, or nuts to avoid unhealthy vending machine temptations. When eating out, choose grilled or baked dishes over fried options and request for sauces on the side. Small changes like these can make a significant difference in your overall nutrient intake without requiring a complete dietary overhaul. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. You don't need hours at the gym to reap the benefits of exercise. Integrate short bursts of activity into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk or bike to work if possible. Or do a quick 10-minute body weight workout during your lunch break. Even simple activities like gardening or playing with your kids can contribute to your daily activity levels. The key is to find opportunities to move throughout the day and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. The power of sleep. Resting for success. Sleep is not just a passive state, but an active process that rejuvenates our body and mind. Sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice when life gets busy, but it's crucial for our physical and mental well-being. Without adequate rest, our cognitive functions, memory, and even our immune system can suffer. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This range is optimal for most adults, allowing the body to go through necessary sleep cycles. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book, to signal your body it's time to wind down. Consistency in your routine can significantly improve sleep quality. Create a sleep-conducive environment by keeping your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Consider using blackout curtains and earplugs if necessary. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed and limit screen time at least an hour before sleep. These substances and activities can interfere with your ability to fall and stay asleep. Prioritizing sleep is an investment in your health and productivity, enhancing your focus, mood, and overall well-being. A well-rested person is more likely to be happy, efficient, and successful in their daily endeavors. Taming the stress monster, finding calm in chaos. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but chronic stress can take a toll on our health. Incorporate stress-reducing practices into your daily routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or spending time in nature. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or listening to calming music can help to quiet your mind and reduce stress levels. Identify your stress triggers and find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you, whether it's talking to a friend, engaging in a hobby, or practicing gratitude. Mind mattered, cultivating mental well-being. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Connect with loved ones, pursue a hobby, or spend time outdoors. Practice gratitude by reflecting on the positive aspects of your life. Cultivating a positive mindset and engaging in activities that nurture your soul are essential for overall well-being, fostering resilience and a greater sense of fulfillment. Finding your balance, a personalized approach. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to a healthy lifestyle. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body, understand your individual needs, and adjust these tips to fit your lifestyle and preferences. Experiment with different healthy habits and find what resonates with you. The key is to create a sustainable routine that you enjoy and can stick to in the long run. Consistency is key building lasting habits. The most crucial aspect of maintaining a healthy lifestyle is consistency. It's not about being perfect, but about making healthy choices most of the time. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Everyone falls off the wagon occasionally. The important thing is to acknowledge them, learn from them, and get back on track. View healthy habits as a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. A healthier, happier you. Balancing health and a busy schedule is undoubtedly challenging, but it's an achievable goal. By incorporating small, manageable changes into your daily routine, you can make a significant impact on your overall well-being. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish. It's an investment in a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. You've got this, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Together, we can make a positive difference in our lives. Start today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier you. Staying healthy with a busy routine is possible with small, smart choices every day. Prioritize balanced meals, exercise, rest, and self-care to keep your energy high. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong.